so windy, but we're gonna try to jump in. And it's actually a little cold, but it's sunny, so I hope the sun helps. Okay, now my ass is cold. Oh, can we skip to the good part? Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, he got it.
Look at that. You're probably like, Bailey, why are you with a shirt again? One, I don't want to get burnt in January. Two, it's very cold and it helps a little bit. So.
Whee! So let's go under. You wanna come? That's Bailey the swimmer getting ready for the Olympics 2024. How was your practice? Look at those eyes, bro.
I hate salt water in my mouth.
I love it. That's how I know I'm home.
You did not.
Yeah, I did.
I hate it in my nose.
It was weird when I was jumping in the river without the salt.
I'm a weak sauce. Oh.
How was your trip at the beach?
Pretty good actually.
I actually like it too today.
It was sunny,
Yep.
little waves, but it makes it fun, I guess.
I hate the waves, but it is what it is. We cannot have everything.
And a little bit of wind,
Yeah.
but overall it was fine.
Overall, I think it was the best trip at the beach since we've been here.
Oh, definitely, because of the sun.
Yes. Yesterday we came and it was no sun, so it was so cold. But we jump anyways because we are savage. And the day before it was sunny, but it was so much windy.
I didn't even jump in that day.
But we parked a little far.
We're a little far. I'll put a screenshot right here of the trip. Way down there.
We parked maybe 2 miles away from where we wanted to be.
And tell them why.
And that's because Bailey hates the rocks. And over there that we parked, there's a lot of rocks. Babe! Oh my god, can you get that? OMG! Oh, that's so nice. What happened?
I threw it.
No, you didn't. Enjoy the view for one more time before we change scenes. Hey guys! Oh, we are going to see my godmother and Bailey's so excited to see her. But
We're only seeing the house.
yeah, because they have COVID. COVID sucks. So
We probably have COVID too.
No, we don't. We don't. We're literally testing every day and we are negative. And thank God, because we are traveling soon and we need to be negative. But we're just gonna go see the house outside, say hi from the windows. Imagine if they are not home. That would be terrible because they have COVID, so you better be home.
Better be there.
Yeah. We are here. I just don't want to go closer because... Do you want to take pictures?
I want to swim.
No.
Why not?
And that's what I said affair, Γιατί? Όχι, Κυριακή αύριο, όχι, που Δευτέρας. Να πάμε που Δευτέρας. Εντάξει, είχαμε ούλοι μυθίλοι με το πράγμα.
Γιατί να έρθει το φως.
Τι?
Το φως του.
Μα γιατί έρχεσαι έτσι κοντά μας, κοντά μας.
Είναι πιο μακριά εγώ. Εγκρίμα δεν θα φύγω να κολλήσω.
Θα αφήσουν κολλούν που θα φύγει. Ήμουν έξω, ήταν το σπίτι. Ναι. già l'ho crisato, dopo. Oh! We just came to hike. I used to come here when I was a kid. And now I came here with Bailey. So let's see how that's gonna go. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty?
Let's go higher so it's cooler pictures.
So those rocks, babe, they used to be like something.
Yeah.
Like houses back in the days.
Like a long...
Like 100. Yeah. Actually, I don't know, but they used to be like something back in the years. I don't know any of the history. We can ask my dad when we go home. Babe, here. Oh, shoot. We made it to the top. More history over here that I have no idea, but my dad does. So I might ask him later and just put it after in the video. I don't know if you can see that, but that's where they used to live like years and years ago. And that's Cyprus mountains. Please don't fall. Go over there, you can see the beach. And it's just so pretty, and it's so sunny today, which I'm glad.
Our dad said we would be cold.
Yeah, my dad said get a jacket. I'm sorry, Dad, but it's really hot. We're dying here. So I'm glad that we didn't listen to you and we didn't get a jacket.
Well, we made it down to the water. And it's so beautiful.
It is.
I just want to jump in so bad.
Same. Let's go get a swimsuit so we can jump in.
How's your Cyprus trip going so far?
I'm being a tourist
In your own
my
city.
own city.
And they have all the cruise ships out there. It's just unbelievable.
I know, I love it. Ooh, look that one.